In the next set of questions, we'll graph equations. Graph y equals 2x minus 1. This is a linear equation, and it's written in slope-intercept form. So we can read the slope and the y-intercept directly from the equation. The slope is the number that's multiplied by the x. So in this case, slope is 2. That tells us the slant of the line. The negative 1 gives us a y-intercept of 0, negative 1. And that tells us where the line goes through the y-axis. So these two pieces of information give us enough information to graph this line. We take the y-intercept, 0, negative 1, and plot it. And then we count off the slope. Now the slope we count off as rise over run. So we need to write this as a fraction. We can write this as 2 over 1. 2 would be the rise, 1 would be the run. So from a point on the line, we count up 2 and over 1 and make another dot. From that point, we can also count up 2 and over 1 and make another dot. And we could continue to do this to get several dots to line up. Once we have enough that we're pretty confident of the direction of the line, we can draw a line through those dots and then finish by labeling the line y equals 2x minus 1.